first one to cross wins. $100,000 to anyone faster than Melissa. 3, 2, 1. All right, they're up. They're up. Can any of the guys beat the fastest woman on the planet?
Let's go! Oh!
She's ahead. She's ahead. She's ahead. Oh, she's ahead. Oh, it is actually close. She's currently in the lead. Wait, 35. 35 is gaining on her. Oh, she's speeding up. She's coming up. Oh, my God. Oh, look. Oh, she was first. Oh, my gosh. Whoa. You won. Shocker, you won. 35. You are actually not too far behind.
Good job. I saw you. Great job.
Wait, do you do track?
No.
Oh. No. You probably should. Shocker, the fastest woman in the world is very fast. Let's go to